Part 4. Questions 12 to 15. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several monologues. Each monologue will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your test book, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speaker is saying. After you hear the monologue and the question about it, read the 5 possible answers and decide which one would be the best answer to the question you have heard. Questions 12 and 13 are based on the following monologue. Once, there lived a man with his 2 daughters. The one married to a gardener, and the other married to a tile maker. One day, the father went to the daughter who had married the gardener, and asked how she was and how all things went with her. She said that all things were fine, but she had one wish, that there may be a heartful, so that the plants grew well. Not long after that, the father went to the daughter who had married the tile maker, and asked the same questions. The daughter replied that she wanted nothing and had only one wish, that the dry weather may continue and the sun shone hot and bright, so that the bricks and tiles might be dried. Then the father was sad because his daughters had opposite wishes. Number 12. What is the story about? Number 13. What were the professions of the father's sons-in-law? Questions 14 and 15 are based on the following monologue. A magnitude 4.3 earthquake had rumbled Hawke's Bay in the North Island. The quake's epicenter was recorded by geonics as 15 kilometers east of Waipukura at a depth of 50 kilometers and was originally recorded as a magnitude 4.4 tremor 20 kilometers east of the rural settlement, but has since been downgraded. The quake, which struck at 8 p.m., was described initially as light by the monitoring service, but had been upgraded to moderate shortly before 8:30 p.m., with 1,235 geonics users reporting they had felt the shaking. Number 14. Where was the quake's epicenter recorded? Number 15. When did the quake hit Hawke's Bay?